Any statement lang po since you haven't seen your father since you arrived pala? Is that true?
As I announced earlier, we'll do the Q&A later. So
Hindi pa kayo
we need to do the paperwork that everyone from inside is asking from us.
Ingat po ma'am, thank you po. Thank you po, ma'am. Ma'am, VP. Ma'am, laban na gid ma'am. Basta gwapa lang gid ta ni ma'am. Okay. Basta Pilipina, gwapa gid ka ma'am. Basta ikaw.
SMA na yung pakisabi po sa papasok.
Hindi ka naman nagpalit ng number.
Hindi. But let's do WhatsApp kasi Viber hindi masyado maganda rito eh.
They will
WhatsApp talaga.
request.
Okay. SMNI!
Hello po.
Basta, ma'am, mag-ampo gimi, nag-i-move na gina. Gwapa biyak ka.
Of course. Yes, ma'am. At wapag na. Di
Correct.
lang ako sigurado sa mga Pilipino, mga lalaki.
Gwapo gyapon mi ma'am.
I can assure you, upat na buok ang atong Miss Universe.
Correct.
The Filipina beauty is known globally
Just pag
as exemplary.